Hey guys, Max here, coming to you with a quick video today. I'm in the process of saving some money, refilling my old Coleman camping tanks, and I wanted to share this info with you. It is quite a bit of savings over time. For example, this bottle here, 1 pound bottle, I've seen them anywhere from about $3 up to $5.50 or so. This bottle was $4.69. Don't know if you can see that. But the math on this, basically, if you refill your own bottles, it's somewhere around 40 to 75 cents per bottle. So you save a lot of time if you do a lot of camping with a Coleman stove or any other equipment you may have. But the way that I do this, and I will post links to these to this item I'm using if you guys are interested, it'll be below. But it's just a little valve, and what you do is you screw that onto your 15-pound tank or whatever size tank you have. This one's a 15, and it's also a liquid gas, so you want to set your tank upside down. That way you can get all the liquid propane in your tank. On the full tank, they weigh in at about 1 pound 13 ounces. The empties are 13 ounces. It's just the weight of the metal on these. And it's recommended that you put your empty tank, completely empty tank, in the freezer for about 30 minutes before you fill it up to get a more full fill, from what I'm understanding. It is also illegal to transport a refilled tank unless it's the DOT approved tank for refilling, which I'll post a link for that as well. They're pretty cheap. You can get it on Amazon. It saves you a lot of money if you're a heavy user of these things. You can refill the actual Coleman tank. You just can't transport them. It's 5 years or 500,000 fine, possibly both. So don't transport them. This is for personal use today, education for the video, and I'll probably use it around here for tiki torch or something. But you set your tank up, flip it upside down, and I always operate with this stuff away from my face. I should probably be wearing safety glasses. But you just screw your tank on, and once this is screwed on snugly, you slowly crack the valve open, and you'll hear the liquid propane transfer into the other bottle. It takes about a minute, and when that noise quits and that transfer is complete, the noise will go away, and you'll be able to shut your valve off. You turn the tank back upright, and then you can unscrew it. So I actually don't have that valve all the way open. I've only opened it about a quarter, and the noise has stopped. So my tank's now off. And I've got a full tank. Now when you unscrew this, you'll hear a little hiss when it comes off. And then you're good. You want to make sure you don't hear any leaks or anything. And you've got a tank ready to go for about 50 cents. So hopefully this will help you guys out with saving some money for your camping trips. Definitely get the legal bottle if you do plan on traveling though.